Students, again to the online class of Monvishya School. I am your English teacher and my name is Manisha Pandit. So students, in this class you will take it out your English literature book. Okay, take it out. Now we will study English literature. Students, in previous class we have started chapter 3, the north wind. Okay, we have done section 1 and now today we will begin from section 2. Now before starting we will revise first that what we have studied till now. Here we have studied that there was one boy. Okay, and there is also a north wind. So the boy had only a bag of flour which the north wind blew away. Okay, and the boy got angry. So the for his mischief, north wind's mischief, the north wind gave him a tablecloth, in which that tablecloth, how it works, that tablecloth works that if that boy will spread that tablecloth in anywhere, then and whatever he will order any kind of food, then in that tablecloth any that food will appear. Okay, so he went to an inn and that night he stayed there only, and he ordered beans, bread and meat. Okay, and immediately that in that tablecloth it appeared magically. Okay, see in the picture also you can see. Now what did he do? Then after eating he went to sleep. Okay, now section 2, first I'll read and then I'll explain you. Okay, the sly innkeeper had watched all this through the keyhole. Late at night, he quietly stole the tablecloth while the boy slept soundly. The next morning, the boy was hungry again, but there was no tablecloth and so no breakfast. The boy went right back to the North Wind and complained, "You are a cheat, North Wind. You have taken back your tablecloth." "No," said the North Wind, "that is not the way I work, but I'll give you a ram this time." Now students, see what happens in section 2. When the boy was ordering the food and then he ate and then he went to sleep, then these all things the innkeeper watched. Everything he watched from the keyhole, means gate में एक hole होता है ना, so from that he watched. Okay, now what when the boy went to sleep, now slept soundly means वो लड़का गहरा नींद से सो रहा था. Okay, then that time the innkeeper stole the tablecloth. Okay, and then when the next morning the boy woke up and again he was hungry because he had to do breakfast, right? So again he went to take the tablecloth because he wanted to order the food. So when he went to take the tablecloth, there he found that no cloth was there. Okay, so he went to the Northwind and started complaining in, because he thought that Northwind has taken back his tablecloth. So went to Northwind and told that, "Why are you are a cheat? Why have you taken back your tablecloth?" So the Northwind told, "No, I haven't taken your tablecloth. Why I'll take?" Okay, but at last what the Northwind says, he says that, "Okay, fine, this time I'll give you a ram." Okay, now what is the meaning of ram? Ram means you can say a male sheep. Okay, yes. Now see, come to the next page, page number 27. He said, "Each time you rub his wool, he will drop a piece of gold from his mouth. Look after him well." The boy ran back and found the ram at the door of the stable behind the inn. He caught the ram by the rope around its neck and led it slowly up the stairs of the inn to his room. Now, now see students, when the North Wind gave the boy a ram, that is a male sheep, now he told after giving that how it works. Means if he will rub his wool, then means whenever he will rub his wool, he will that sheep will throw a gold coin from his mouth. Okay, and with that gold coin the boy can buy anything, whether food or anything he can buy. Okay, now after taking the ram, the boy came back to the inn, and what did he do? He just tied with the rope to the sheep. Okay, and where did he tie? He tied the stairs of the inn, means where he was staying. Okay, to his room, near his room. Okay, now by now the boy was hungry because it was night again, so he patted the ram on its back. The ram lowered its head and a piece of gold dropped from his mouth. Good old North Wind, said the boy. He paid the innkeeper with the piece of gold for his stay and supper. He slept soundly that night with the ram for his pillow. When the boy awoke in the morning, his head was upon the floor and the ram was gone. Now at the night when he was hungry again, so he wanted he wanted dinner. Okay, so now what did he do? He did exactly how Northwind has said, that you rub the wool, okay, and then he will give you a gold of piece of coin. Okay, so he did exactly that, and the sheep lowered his head and he threw a he dropped a coin from his mouth. Now with that coin he gave to the innkeeper, okay, for his stay, he was staying, so uska bhi charge lagta hai na. Yes, so for his stay he has given, and for supper. Okay, now after having dinner, then he went again for sleep that night, and then when he woke up, then what happened? Then again the ram was also gone. Okay, now students, now today we will do till here. Now in my next class we will read section 3 and also understand. Okay, in the next class we will continue. Very interesting story this is. Okay, now your today's homework will be, you will read chapter 3, that is section 1 and section 2. Okay, till where I have taught you. Thank you students.